Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera distortion on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so clean camera lens with the help of tissue paper. After a clean lens, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this. Click on this settings icon. Click on this menu icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, and you will see here showing you reset option. So click on reset camera setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.